In this video, I am going to show you how you can roast your groundnut with an air fryer. Are you tired of roasting your groundnut in the same old way and you're looking for a new and innovative method? Then this video is for you. First thing first, make sure you have your raw groundnuts and your equipment before you begin. Now pour in your groundnuts into a mixing bowl filled with water. Add your salt, give it a good mix to ensure that the groundnuts are evenly coated with salt. This is to give it a delicious taste. Allow this to soak for like 15 minutes, then you drain out the water. So guys, I am not roasting this yet. What I want to do now is to dry out the water in this groundnut, just the same way you air dry or you sun dry your groundnut before roasting it. So that is what I want to dry here. I'll be drying it with a low heat before I proceed with the roasting. So I'll be setting up my timer. I'm doing this for 15 minutes. Then the Celsius will be at 100 degrees Celsius. So what I am using here now is 100 degrees Celsius and 15 minutes timed. As you can see on this air fryer, it has so many descriptions if you want to bake your copies, if you want to dry your fish. But now let's go with this 20 to 30 minutes for 160 degree for roasting this groundnut. So this is what we'll be doing. Let's set the timer for 20 minutes, or let me say 30 minutes, okay? Then do the timing for 160 degrees Celsius. So we are doing for 30 minutes 160 degrees Celsius. You can do yours at 25 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever time. I think let's just do 25. Okay, let's do 25 with this. Then don't forget to turn. Always remember to open your air fryer and turn it constantly so that the groundnut will not get to burn at one side of it, but rather roast evenly. If you have watched up to this time, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your loved one. Thank you for watching. Bye.